everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a folder in Hotmail application. Keep watching the video till the end. To create folder in Hotmail, firstly open your Hotmail or Outlook application. The home page of Hotmail with the list of messages will appear on the screen. Tap on any mail and long press on it. Click on three dots at the top right corner of the screen and tap on Move to Folder. On the next page, click on Folder icon at the top right corner of the screen. Create a new folder and name the folder, then tap on Create and Move. This is how you can create a folder in Hotmail or Outlook application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.